Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to successfully install LinkedIn into your phone without any stress. Let me show you how. So whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, in this video, I'll show you on how to install LinkedIn profile and log in successfully to your LinkedIn account right from your phone without any stress. Let me show you how. So in this tutorial, I'm using Android device. So if you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store, or if you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store right here. After you open up your Play Store, go ahead and click on search. So go ahead and click on here and type in LinkedIn. Hit on search. Now you are here. Go ahead and click on here. Then you have the app detail right here. So as at the time of making this video, 1 billion plus are using this app. So go ahead and hit on install. After a successful install, go ahead and hit on open. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on continue with Google. So if you have an account with LinkedIn already, click on continue with Google. Click on here to sign in with your Google account. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on continue. Click on allow. Now you are here successfully in your LinkedIn app right here. So click on here to check on your profile. Then you have your profile detail right here, your name, experience, etc. You can add information right here. It's that simple. So these are your newsfeed, and these are stuff that recommend to you by LinkedIn. Then you can go ahead and click on update your profile to add more work experience, education, etc. into your LinkedIn profile. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your LinkedIn profile, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.